Hi, happy New Year's. Today we're going to make a Cortadito white mocha. So it's going to be espresso extracted with the layer of brown sugar. And then instead of milk, I'm going to use half and half. And I'm also going to add probably like half a pump of white chocolate. So this time I'm going to go 16 grams, maybe like at the top of 15 grams. Because we're going to be adding about a gram's worth of brown sugar to this. Perfect. Go ahead and get that grinded up. Got our brown sugar. About a teaspoon's worth of brown sugar is all we really need. Just gonna tamp it a little bit. Not gonna tamp it too hard right now. We'll go ahead and add the brown sugar. About that amount should be perfect. Let's pop it on top. Just try your best to get like an even bed. Now I will mention you would want to clean your the spout out after this. As best you can, of course. Use a real tamp. Get like a really cool looking bed right there. Hopefully you can see that okay. All right. Just gonna throw it up there. And let's see, what kind of mug do I want to use? I haven't even figured that out yet. We'll use... use this mug. I usually pour better latte art with like more narrow openings, and I like this mug, so we'll use this one. We will split the shot in that case. Pressure's a bit high, but it's in the range, and the shot looks really good. Right. Yeah, that's about a good amount. I filled it right below the spout. It should be a perfect amount for that mug. Set these two aside. Go ahead and get our milk started. Or half and half started, I should say. Half and half is very similar to milk when it comes to frothing. There's virtually no difference when you're frothing half and half compared to milk, so just gonna treat it like I'm frothing milk. A little bit of air in there, but I think we're good now. Look at that shot. Wow. It tastes amazing because of that brown sugar in there too. So basically what I made right here is a Cubano. Now we're going to turn the Cubano into a Cortadito. And before I forget, it's a white mocha, right? So we're going to add half a pump of white chocolate in there. Give it a bit of a swirl to mix it in. Man, that looks good. Then add our half and half. Look at that. There you have it, y'all. A White Mocha Cortadito. It's an amazing drink, probably my favorite drink ever. So, but yeah, that's the drink. Thank y'all for watching.